Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at problem 5 of the target round in the Gauss School and Gauss Math Circle 2016 Gauss Math Tournament. I'll be posting the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. So the problem reads, 3 faces of a rectangular prism have areas 16, 20, and 45. What is the volume of this prism? So please pause the video for yourself to give this one a shot, and then come back to the video once you're finished. Okay, so we can assign variables for the cube, so we can draw the cube and then we have A, B, and C. So these are the edges of the cube. So we can this is also B, and this is A also, and we can fill out the rest of the cube. So we could say that this face here is 16. So the area of AB equals to 16. The area for BC, which is here, we could say is 20. And the area of AC here, we could say as 45. So we need to find the volume. So this is what we need to find. A times B times C. This is your main objective. So as you might see, many people would just try simply putting like a C as 5 because the GCD of 20 and 45 is 5. So if we do that, then B equals to 4, and then A equals to 9, and then AB is not equal to 36. So it seems like that there are no absolute whole number solutions. So we need to actually multiply all the equations. So if we multiply all the equations, we'll get AB times BC times AC equals to 16 times 20 times 45. Okay, so you can simplify this further by combining the like terms of the left-hand side. So we get A times B times B times C equals 16 times 20. We don't need to multiply this out first because there's something we can do later. So we if we simplify this, we got A squared times B squared times C squared equals 2. So doesn't this look familiar? Look, we're supposed to find this, and now we got this. So now we need to square root both sides of the equation. So to get A times B times C. So this is basically, let me just write it out clearer. So here we can simplify as A times B times C equals to, we can just prime factorize this into 16 is 2 to the 4th, 20 is 2 to the 2nd times 5, and then 45 is 5 times 3 to the 2nd. Simplify this, we get 2 to the 6 times 3 squared times 5 squared So as you can see, we have we have a 6 which is even, 2 which is even, and 2 which is even. So we get a times b times c equals to the square root of 2 is 6 times the square root of 3 squared times square root of 5 squared. And then we get a times b times c equals to 2 to the third, because 2 to the third times 2 to the third equals to 2 to 6 times 3 times 5. Now, simplifying this, we get a times b times c equals to 8 times 15. And then we know that our volume equals to 120. So this is the answer. So what is the volume of the prism? We could say that it is 120 units cubed. If it was in the tournament, you would just say 120. So this is the proper way to do this. I explained everything in detail. So for this part, you could just find this immediately. You can just list this down. You can immediately just write this equations and derive this, and then square root of this easily. Although I just explained it into more detailed steps. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it with your friends. And also, I'll place any comments or concerns in the description below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.